Where are you going, Maddie?
Outside.
Outside?
Yeah.
To do what outside?
Airplane.
Airplane? Who's on the airplane? Who's on the airplane, Maddie?
Grandpa.
Grandpa? Is he working on the airplane? Or did he have to go to work?
Airplane.
Grandpa's on the airplane.
Yeah.
Is he gonna come home soon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you miss him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we go see him when he comes home?
I see it.
You wanna see him?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one.
Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see